Your vehicle is equipped with two USB ports located below the heater and air conditioner controls. Plug a compatible USB device into the port to play compressed audio files stored on the device. Press this button and touch the icon to select the audio mode. If compatible, the battery of your device will charge while connected to the vehicle. Your vehicle may also be equipped with two separate USB charging ports located on the rear of the center console. If so equipped, these ports are used for charging devices through a USB connection and do not interface with the vehicle's audio system. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.